winter season can be tough on your skin. On today's Skin Truth by Eucerin, Dr. Ingleton and I will explain how you can help protect your skin in the cold weather.
Your skin loses a lot of moisture from the cold winter air, causing it to look dry and flaky.
Certain soaps can also dry out your skin, so especially during the winter months, be sure to use a mild cleanser.
And after cleansing, use a lotion like Eucerin Plus Smoothing Essentials. It has a combination of ingredients that actually improves the skin's ability to retain moisture. Incorporated into a daily routine, it will dramatically improve the condition of the skin to keep it feeling smooth and moisturized all day.
And remember, when your body is hydrated, so is your skin. So drink plenty of water. And be sure to consult your dermatologist if you have any questions or concerns about your skin.
Skin Truth brought to you by Eucerin, the dermatologist recommended brand.